Good morning, all of you. Hope you are having a great day today. Today, I, Gangwani, and
I, Kanishk, are presenting a presentation on building a better future by achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. So there we go. Now let's look at what are the Sustainable Development Goals. So here we have 6 goals here, which is the goal first is no poverty, goal second zero hunger, goal third good health and well-being, goal fourth quality education, goal fifth gender equality, and goal sixth clean water and sanitation.
look at the first slide, which says what are the Sustainable Development Goals exactly. As you may have guessed it, development goals are the goals which allow us to attain sustainable development. Now, to dive deep into it, here are some data which I can read for you. The Sustainable Development Goals, known as SDGs, are a set of 17 global goals adopted by the United Nations in 2015 as the universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity by 2030. The SDGs build on the success of the Millennium Development Goals and aim to go further to end all forms of poverty. They recognize that ending poverty must go hand in hand with strategies that improve health and education, reduce inequality, and spur economic growth, all while tackling climate change and working to preserve our oceans and forests.
Now goal 1, which is to end all forms of poverty, including extreme poverty, is the first sustainable development goal. This objective is to guarantee that every person has access to necessities like food, water, healthcare, and education. To accomplish this, we must address the underlying causes of poverty, such as limited access to the chances of employment, healthcare, and education. We also need to support social inclusion and economic growth measures.
Now, goal 2, which is one of the most important sustainable development goals, is to abolish all types of malnutrition and hunger by 2030, making it one of the most important SDGs. The entails enhancing food accessibility, encouraging environmentally friendly agriculture, and raising agricultural productivity. Governments, NGOs, and individuals must collaborate in order to advance sustainable funding and boost food production and guarantee that everyone has access to wholesome food. Initiatives like food banks, community gardens, and educational programs on healthy eating can help with us.
Now, goal 3, which is the third sustainable development goal, is concerned with promoting and ensuring healthy living of people of all ages. This objective places a focus on the necessity of lowering maternal mortality, eliminating preventable infant and child deaths, and battling communicable diseases like HIV, AIDS, and tuberculosis. In order to accomplish this, it is crucial to improve access to cheap, high-quality healthcare services, as well as to invest in the development of new vaccinations and medications. Achieving good health and well-being also requires promoting healthy behaviors, offering education on sexual and reproductive health, and guaranteeing access to safe water and sanitation.
Now, goal 4, which is no matter their origin or circumstances, everyone should have access to inclusive and equitable quality education. According to the fourth Sustainable Development Goal, access to early learning, elementary and secondary learning, technical and vocational training, and higher education are all included in this. The infrastructure of education must be improved, teachers must receive training and assistance, and high quality education. Free education must be made available to all. It also entails tackling issues like poverty, inequality, and violence that impede children and young people from receiving education on a social economic level.
Now, goal 5, which is gender equality. In addition to being a matter of human rights, gender equality is crucial to attaining sustainable development. We can build a more equal society by empowering women and girls. The core causes of discrimination against women and girls, including our unequal access to healthcare and education, gender-based violence, and unequal income and work opportunities, must be addressed in order to achieve gender equality. Additionally, it entails encouraging women's leadership and participation in decision making.
Now, goal 6, which is a fundamental human right, is to have access to clean water and sanitary facilities. But millions of people worldwide still do not have these facilities. Water and sanitation level for all people must be accessible and managed sustainably. According to the 6th Sustainable Development Goal, in addition to upgrading the technology and infrastructure, this objective necessitates addressing problems including pollution, climate change, and a lack of fresh water. To stop the spread of diseases, it also entails promoting hygiene, education, and behavior modification. Okay?